Hi, I'm Laura, and today I want to share something close to my heart, my family. They're the ones who fill my days with love, laughter, and memories that I'll never forget. My mom is the heart of our home. Every Saturday, we bake cookies together. It's become our little tradition. The way she gently guides me as we mix the ingredients, the warmth of the oven, and the smell of fresh cookies. It's more than just baking. It's our way of being together, of sharing time. But beyond the kitchen, she's always there. When I need advice, when I want to share a moment, or just to listen. Her presence feels like a warm hug, even when she's not around. Then there's my dad. He loves adventure. And whether we're hiking or just exploring our neighborhood, he turns every moment into something special. His energy fills the space with light, and every step we take together is a step towards discovering something new. And sometimes, even the smallest adventures, like late-night movie marathons, become unforgettable with him. Then there's Max, my little brother. He's all energy, all the time. Life with him is unpredictable, but in the best way. He's always there to make me laugh, even if it means being a little bit mischievous. He's the one who keeps me on my toes, reminding me that even in the chaos, there's joy. And of course, there's Whiskers. He's more than just our cat. He's family. He's mischievous and curious, always knocking things over. But he's also the one who curls up beside me when I'm feeling quiet, reminding me that even in stillness, there's comfort. My family may be a mix of personalities and moments, but together, they make my world whole. They're the ones who help me grow, laugh, and see the beauty in the everyday. Thank you for listening to my story. Subscribe for more stories. See you next time.